Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, I will explain how we use go plus prepositions in English. The verb go is one of the most common verbs because it helps us talk about movement, direction, places, activities, and actions. When we combine go with different prepositions, the meaning changes. In this lesson, we will learn 6 important combinations: go to, go into, go through, go across, go over, and go for, with simple explanations and examples. Let's begin. First, go to. We use go to talk about a destination, place, visit, or attending somewhere. It shows movement toward a specific location. Let's practice some simple sentences. Go to school. I go to school every morning. Go to work. She goes to work at 8 a.m. Go to the market. They go to the market to buy food. Go to the airport. We need to go to the airport early. Next, go into. We use go into when someone enters a place or moves from outside to inside. It shows movement into an area or space. Let's practice. Go into the room. He went into the room and sat down. Go into the house. She went into the house because it was raining. Go into the building. The workers go into the building every morning. Go into the office. I need to go into the office for a meeting. Now, go through. We use go through when someone passes from one side of something to another or experiences something. It means moving inside, across, or through an area. Let's practice. Go through the tunnel. The car went through the tunnel. Go through the forest. They walked through the forest. Go through security. Passengers must go through security at the airport. Go through the gate. Please go through the gate carefully. Next, go across. We use go across when someone crosses from one side to another side. It is often used with roads, bridges, rivers, and open areas. Let's practice. Go across the street. Look both ways before you go across the street. Go across the bridge. We walked across the bridge. Go across the river. They went across the river by boat. Go across the road. Be careful when you go across the road. Next, go over. We use go over in 2 main ways. First, it means to cross above something. Second, it means to review or check something carefully. Let's practice. Go over the bridge. The truck went over the bridge. Go over your notes. Please go over your notes before the exam. Go over the report. The manager will go over the report today. Go over the instructions. Let's go over the instructions again. Finally, go for. We use go for to talk about activities, purposes, or choosing something. It is commonly used for walks, meals, trips, and activities. Let's practice. Go for a walk. I usually go for a walk in the evening. Go for lunch. We went for lunch after work. Go for a drive. They went for a drive on the weekend. Go for a swim. She likes to go for a swim in the summer. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel about go plus prepositions in English. I hope this lesson has helped you understand how to use these expressions more clearly. Keep practicing, keep learning, and see you in the next lesson.